I am so embarrassed of my teeth. I've always had really, really good teeth, really strong teeth. And then I got pregnant and my kid stole all of my calcium. So I saw this ad for Pop-On Veneers and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to give it a go. I'm going to try it. And they're really nice. I really like them. They're super easy to put on. 1, 2. And now I can smile again. The process was super simple. I ordered my kit and it came with everything. I mixed up the molds and then you put the molds into the little dish that they give you and then you bite down really hard. I made sure that I read the directions and they have videos to watch, and seriously, my 18-month-old could do it. It's super easy. So I did my molds. I sent them in. They were super quick. Came back right away. They even come with these little cleaning tablets that you can use, and they come with these 3D molds of your teeth, which I thought was really cool. And they come with a nice little container that has a mirror. So it was super easy. The process was amazingly easy. And now I have amazing teeth. I was really nervous to try these because are they going to look fake? Are they going to like fall off? Are they going to hurt? You know, like there were several things that I was like, I don't know. But I just tried it and I'm so happy with them. I am so happy. My smile, I can speak again properly. Like, I love these. Highly, highly recommend if you are nervous because you have a gap or because you have missing teeth or whatever. It's such a confidence boost.